customer said Frank the furnace was not happy. I said it was shooting flames. Cleaned up the burners. Cleaned up the pilot assembly. That's calling. Everything's calling. Everything's calling. Well, let's see why it won't fire. Okay. Found there was a wire bad on the rollout down there. No, she said when she started this thing up, Frank the boiler, or Frank the furnace, his boiler, it's in pretty bad shape. We're on propane. And we had flame shooting out the front of it. So let's see what happens. Now I have voltage. Let's see. Oh yeah, geez, oh Pete's. We're gonna shut that one down. Holy crap! I think we got a bad gas valve, because that would be only logical. That scared the crap out of me. And
how's it going?